Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today we're going to show you how to properly replace an ink pump. Gather your materials. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of diagonal cutters, and the new ink pump. Locate the ink pump. It is located in the back of the printer above the main ink tanks. You may need to either open a panel or open a drawer in order to access the pumps. The ink pumps will be the smaller pump with a blue top. First, disconnect the ink pump plug from the receptacle. Next, remove the ink pump from the mounting position. Use your Phillips head screwdriver and loosen the two mounting screws that secure the bracket. With the ink pump tubing still attached, remove the pump and the mounting bracket from the mounting position. Align both pumps in the same orientation and observe the ink pump tubing. Working one at a time with your diagonal cutters, clip the ink tubing off of the old pump and reattach it in the same location on the new pump. Once you have completed both sides of the ink tubing, you are ready to mount the new pump. Plug the pump in at the same location we removed the pump from originally. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the mounting screws onto the mounting bracket. Now replace the panel or door to the pumps. Please refer to the video purging from the vent tube to remove air from the lines. And that's how to replace an ink pump on a CET Color large format digital UV printer.